Melanie Schultz with Just Face It Photography, and I'm going to show you how to make adjustments using layer masks. So before you do any adjustments, the first thing you're going to want to do is come over here to your background. You're going to right click, hit duplicate layer, and name it what adjustment you're going to make. Mine's purple hue. Hit enter. And now you're ready to make your adjustment. So I'm going to come over here, and you got all these to use. There's a lot to select from. So I'm going to go ahead and go to color balance, because my color doesn't have very good coordination, so I need to help balance it. Anyway, I'm going to adjust this slider over here because I'm going to get a purple hue. And this is just for the sky, so you're going to see what I'm going to do next. About right there. Hit OK. Okay, so now that your adjustment's made, you've noticed that your subject is particularly purple, and perhaps you don't want them to be that purple. So we're going to adjust our opacity first of all. And I'm going to take it down to about 46%. And that looks good. And before you do any erasing, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come over here to your adjustment, your new layer that you made, and you want to make sure to hit this box here, the box and the circle inside. That is your adjustment mask. Hit that. And before you start doing anything, you want to make sure that this square is indeed selected. So sometimes you might hit a button or something else happens and you're over here with the brush. And you'll notice that it's not working because, oh no, there's a hurricane on my face. I can't have that. Undo. So that's totally not where you want to be. So you want to make sure this square is connected. So you want to make sure that's selected. Not connected. Selected. And once you're there, you're getting ready to erase off your subject or wherever you don't want this adjustment made. And since I want some of it still left on there, that's why I left it at 46%. So you're going to go ahead and start erasing. And I think I want a bit more, so you can go ahead and adjust it either higher or lower if you think you're taking too much off or not enough off. Adjust it accordingly. And let's say you're erasing and a cat jumps on your lap. Meow! Oh no! No, I've erased it too much. This is a problem. Actually, no, it's not, because we have this layer here. And we have the mask inside. It is saving us. So, first, you're going to say, hey kitty, get over there. And now you're back ready to draw it back on. So, you're going to hit this brush. So, previously I was in the eraser. Now I'm going to go to the brush. And you're going to brush that back onto the spots that it came off of. And you'll probably need to adjust your opacity up here, up a little bit higher, to brush this back on. And the same process happens if Kitty comes back and dumps your cup of coffee. Ouch! Burn! And now you've accidentally drawn it back on your subject. Same process, you're going to go back to your eraser, and then start erasing again. And this will work with any adjustment that you make. But any adjustment that you make, you'll need to make a new layer for, because if you make too many adjustments, you're going to end up erasing all of the adjustments instead of just one adjustment. So you'll want to make a layer and a layer mask for each adjustment that you do. And I'm going to erase some off the grass as well, because this is just for the sky. So go ahead and go crazy. You know, just erase the whole thing. Go crazy on the ground. It's not going to care. It might care a little bit if its favorite color is purple. But I know my grounds. And I like them brewed pretty well. You know, like coffee, because that's, you know, grounds. Okay, so now that I'm done here, I'm going to go ahead and go up to my opacity and see how much of this color I actually want. So there's none. And there's all the way. And there's about the middle. I'm going to take it about up here. And I like how that looks. Select off of that. And once you're done with your adjustment and you're happy with how it looks and you don't need to do any more erasing, you can flatten your image. Now, sometimes I'll zoom in to make sure if I miss a spot and maybe some of that purple tried to struggle along and, you know, steal a seat on this boy's hat. We can have that. Erase. Alright, and it looks good to me, so now you can go ahead and hit layer and flatten your image. And you're good to go. So any other adjustment that you need to make, just follow the same process. You duplicate your layer, you do your adjustment, and you make your layer mask. I hope this helps. I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.